Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to guide you step by step on how to recover deleted emails directly from your Android phone. Whether you accidentally deleted an important message or simply want to restore an email you thought you didn't need, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your email application. This could be Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo Mail, or any other email app that you use. For this guide, we'll focus on Gmail since it's the most common on Android phones. Once you're in the app, tap the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and find a folder called Trash or Bin. Tap on that. All the emails you've deleted within the last 30 days are stored here temporarily before being permanently deleted. Browse through the list of deleted emails. When you find the one you want to recover, tap to open it. If the email is not there, it may have already been permanently deleted, or it was deleted over 30 days ago. To recover the email, tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the email. Select Move to or Move to Inbox or Primary, Promotions, Social, or Update. That email is now restored and can be found back in your inbox or any folder you assign. Then go back to your inbox, primary, or the label where you restored the email. It should now appear just like before it was deleted. And that's it. You've now learned how to recover deleted emails on your Android phone. It's a simple but powerful trick that can save you a lot of trouble in the future. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, or share this with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tech tip.